In BrightAuthor Connected, you can add the date and time within a clock zone. If the player is connected to the internet, the date and time will be set automatically based on the player's time zone. This can be adjusted during player setup. If it's not connected to the internet, you can refer to our documentation on how to set the clock manually. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add and format the date and time in 2 separate clock zones within a multi-zone presentation. If you've been following along, open the multi-zone presentation from the ticker tutorial, create a new zone, and change the type of the zone to clock. Name this zone Time. Then, position the zone in the upper right. From the Widgets tab, add the clock to your playlist. In Zone Properties, you can set how your clock will appear on the screen by changing various attributes, including font, color, opacity, and background image. You can load a font for your clock from your fonts folder that you created in the ticker tutorial. For fun, I've loaded a font that will make the clock look like a vintage digital readout. By default, the time and date appear as overlay text on image and video zones. Adding a date is similar. Create a new zone and format the zone so that it appears below the clock. Then, change the zone type to clock and name the zone Date. From the Content tab, select the Widget tab and drag the Date widget onto your playlist. Back in the Layout tab, you can set the appearance of the date under Zone Properties. Now save and publish your presentation to see how it appears on the screen. Thanks for watching this tutorial on clock zones. Next up, you'll learn how to add a partially transparent image overlay to your presentation.